everybody! I'm here today to show you how to write a shape poem. This will be a simple tutorial for poetry, so let's get right into the video. Now, a shape poem is obviously based on a shape, and they're actually really easy to write. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. First and foremost, you gotta pick a shape. That is the case with either of these methods. So I'm gonna choose two shapes to demonstrate both ways that I would write a shape poem, both different ways. So the first shape that I'm gonna pick is a fish shape. So I'm gonna draw a fish right here. Just an outline of a fish. You just need an outline, okay? So that's what a fish looks like to me. I know I'm not great at drawing, but that's a fish to me. And the second one that I'm gonna pick is a snowman. So for a snowman, it's gonna look something like this. Okay, a little bit bigger and then a little bit bigger at the bottom. Like that, just like that. So there's my snowman. Now, the first way number one, method number one to write a shape poem is to actually write the words in the outline of the shape. So I would write the poem along the outline of the shape right here. So I'm actually going to make up a poem right now on the spot. I didn't plan this out. I should have, but I didn't plan this out. So I'm going to make up a poem right now on the spot. So you write it in the outline of the shape. Okay. So I'm going to write a fish poem right now. Bear with me. I'm going to try and keep it all on camera as much as possible. So I'm going to write down fish over here. Okay. I love them so much. Period. I'll go this way now. They're so cool. So as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's basically in the shape of the fish. You would write down your poem all in the shape of the fish. It's hard for me to do because I should have turned it around like that, but you get the idea. You're writing your poem in the shape of the actual shape that you're drawing. Okay. Now for the other one, I'm not going to go ahead and write this entire one because it'd be hard for me to make something that would fit in this. But for the other method number two is you're going to write the words within the shape, filling it in. So I'm going to just draw lines. I would write down a poem about a snowman. So let's say, and I'll just draw lines in the form of words. So let's say I would write something like this. I love to build snowmen. It is so much fun for me to build a snowman. It brings back childhood memories of myself having tons of fun in the snow during my school childhood days. Snowmen are great. So I would write down the words on those lines to fill in the shape of the snowman. And the great thing is you can erase this outline or you can leave it and it'll look good either way. People will know that it's a snowman or whatever shape it is if you've done it properly. But that's basically it. That is essentially how to write a shape poem. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.